Welcome to InnovEngine. Today we set sail into the future with groundbreaking yacht technologies. From the solar-powered elegance of the shape to the speed and luxury of XENOS. The Hyperyacht, innovation takes center stage. The compact yet futuristic Hypersport Jet Capsule redefines agility, while the eco-conscious Prodigium merges marine-inspired design with sustainability. Topping it all, the $100 million TATIANA Yacht embodies ultimate luxury afloat. These marvels are more than yachts, they're visions of tomorrow. The shape is a solar-powered Hyperyacht with a stunning hollow bow, combining sustainability, luxury, and futuristic design. With open decks, panoramic views, and cutting-edge amenities, it's a masterpiece where technology meets art on the seas. XENOS. The Hyperyacht is a high-performance vessel that combines speed, luxury, and futuristic design. Built with advanced hydrodynamics and cutting-edge materials, it offers unparalleled efficiency and style. XENOS isn't just a yacht, it's a statement of innovation and opulence on the water. The Hypersport Jet Capsule is a groundbreaking innovation that redefines luxury watercraft, blending high-performance jet propulsion with a stunningly futuristic design. Its sleek aerodynamic shape is built for speed, slicing through the water with ease, and offering an exhilarating ride that's perfect for those who crave adventure. What sets the Hypersport Jet Capsule apart is not just its exceptional speed and agility, but its cutting-edge technology and luxurious interior. The cabin is a perfect fusion of comfort and style, featuring plush seating, modern amenities, and panoramic views that ensure a truly immersive experience. Whether navigating calm waters or cutting through waves at top speeds, the Hypersport Jet Capsule provides a smooth, thrilling ride without sacrificing elegance. It represents the future of personal maritime travel, offering a bold mix of innovation, performance, and high-end design. A vessel that isn't just a ride, but a statement of sophistication, speed, and the limitless possibilities of the open water. The Prodigium is a groundbreaking mega-yacht that combines luxurious design with eco-conscious technology. Inspired by marine life, its sleek organic shape enhances hydrodynamics for a smooth, efficient ride. Powered by renewable energy sources like solar and wind, it minimizes environmental impact while offering unparalleled luxury. Inside, guests enjoy expansive decks, panoramic views, and exquisite amenities, from private suites to lavish lounges. With advanced green technologies such as energy-efficient systems and sustainable materials, the Prodigium is the epitome of future maritime travel, where opulence and sustainability seamlessly converge. TATIANA Yacht is the pinnacle of luxury, priced at $100 million, offering unmatched opulence on the water. Its sleek, futuristic design features expansive decks, an infinity pool blending into the horizon, and a spacious beach club. Inside, the yacht boasts grand salons, a private cinema, and a fully equipped spa. The private suites feature panoramic ocean views, bespoke furnishings, and the latest technology for comfort and privacy. Equipped with cutting-edge marine engineering, TATIANA Yacht ensures peak performance and energy efficiency with eco-friendly systems. A helipad allows for seamless travel, and tenders, jet skis, and diving equipment make it perfect for exploration and water sports. This vessel combines sophistication with innovation, creating a truly exclusive, luxury experience that redefines superyacht living. TATIANA Yacht is more than just a yacht. It's a floating palace for the ultimate lifestyle on the seas.